anything before or after? After can. Now, Jashan, can you tell me what's the first step I do? Very good. Bring the 2 over as in what? Minus or divide? Jashan, minus or divide? Divide. So I get half. Now, then I start. Reference angle equals to sine inverse half. What is the answer? 0.52359. Now listen, you always truncate at 4SF because yesterday we tried. If I stop at 3SF, later the final answer is different. Truncate means stop at the fourth number, don't round up, don't round down. Understand? From here, no wonder. Now, from here, what you do is you ask yourself, sign is it positive or negative? Sign is positive. So, can you write down sign positive means which quadrant? Means first and second. Next, copy the x. X equals to first 0.524. Or round up, the round up to 3S1. Oh, okay, don't round up. Next, this is second quadrant. Second quadrant is what? Jiaxuan? Cannot. 180 don't work. Pi minus 0.535235. Then after that, I work this out in calculator and then I round up in 3SF. Is that okay? Can I go through C now? C. C, I see some of you blank. Blank means cannot do or haven't do. Cannot do. Yeah, do the thing in the calculator and give me the 3SF answer. Okay? Now let's look at C now. C, how do I do? C, Junyang, C, this thing here is just a number. So first thing, I check, is there any number in front of cosine? Nothing. So I can straight away find reference angle. Can you tell me your reference angle? Everyone press a reference angle, tell me your reference angle. Junyang? Don't want. I don't want the pi thing, just give me the 3SF first. Wrong. 45 is in degree. You got problem. Change to radian. Why radian? Because on top they want radian. Junyang, do you know how to press? Press in radian. Oh, press what? So, how to find reference angle, Aritina? This is 1 over root 2, right? So, I press cosine inverse 1 over root 2 to find reference angle. Do you understand? Now, do I have to include the negative? Never. Reference angle never include negative. Then leave in pi. But then answer is always in 3SF. Unless they say find the exact. Okay, or leaving your answer in pi, which they seldom do that. Junyang, what is the answer? 45 is wrong because 45 is in degree mode. Change to radian, please. 0.7, 8, 5, 3. Okay, 3. 4SF is enough. Don't round up, don't round down. Next, what do you do? Next, what do you do? So Junyang, friend, Aritina, can you tell me cosine here is positive or negative? Negative. Can you tell me cosine negative is in which quadrant? No. You must be able to draw out this quadrant. Can you tell me the 4 quadrant? A, S, T, C. First, second, third, fourth. Can you tell me cosine positive is which quadrant? Okay, sorry. Cosine positive or negative? Negative. Cosine negative is which quadrant? Huh? 2 and 3. So you write down like that. Cosine negative is in second and third. Now, Aritina, you must remember if it's in radian, Aritina, it's not 180 minus, it changed to pi already. So second quadrant, now I start. Junyang, what do I write next? So first step, reference angle. Second step, which quadrant? Third step, what do I write? X die. 2x correct. Do you understand 2x? So Junyang, copy down this angle. and write it down. So you must write down 2x equals to what? Junyang, try. Second quadrant, what do I do? Pi minus this, right? So I write pi minus 0. This. Okay. What's the next one? Junyang, third quadrant. Pi plus 0.7853. Not good enough because I have 2x. Junyang, what does 2x means? Plus how many? 360. But no more 360, so how many must I plus? Plus 2 pi. So here plus 2 pi. Here you must plus 2 pi. So 3 pi minus 0.7853. Here you must plus 2 pi. 3 pi minus plus 0.7853 plus 2 pi. 1 apple plus 2 apple is 3 apple. Okay, so this is plus 2 pi. Then Junyang, lastly, what do I do to the 2? I want to find x. Divide by 2. So every answer divide by 2. Press your calculator. Don't bother to give in 3SF. I want just the don't bother to give in terms of pi. I just want the final answer. It is okay, but not recommended, please, because to make the calculation a bit more complicated. Yeah, it's 2x. So all the 4 answers need to divide by 2. What? They all put in pi, oh. Right, D. Who cannot do D? Right, Kunsh. Can you tell me the first step? Cosine inverse 0.413. This was equals to what? What is this? What are you finding? No, wrong. You do that, you always will get mistake somewhere. Reference angle. Always start with reference angle. Alright, don't go on to straight away the answer. I know you will get the answer later, but you may miss out one or two answers. Can you tell me what's the value you press in your calculator? Radian. All in radian because on top it says solve the equation 0 to 2 pi. Sorry, Kunsh, can I have your answer? One point one four five. Rachel 1.14. Rachel question is, do you need to leave in terms of pi? Answer is no, no. Unless they say leave your answer in. Huh? How do you know? How do you do? Uh, how to do is divide by pi. But yeah, yeah. Huh? Uh, okay. No, use the long string. Use a long string. Okay, later I go through that part. So can do already. The rest of you can do this question already. Who still cannot? But this is the minus one. But don't go to that first. First find 1 plus theta equals to blank blank. There are two answers. Then you minus 1 for both. Because you refuse to follow this instruction. Can you tell me what is this answer? Tiffany, can I have these two blank? First blank is wrong. 0. Is the previous step. 1.145. Can I have the second blank? 5. Tiffany, answer the question. Tiffany, can you answer the question? Cosine in this question is positive or negative? Tiff. Cosine in this question is positive or negative? Positive. Can you answer the question, Tiffany? first quadrant and which quadrant is fourth? Can you answer the question? If I want to find the fourth quadrant, I must take 2 pi minus reference. So you take 2 times pi minus reference, you will get 5.14. Now you understand how I get the 4? Because both number must minus 1. Okay. Can I go through E now? This answer key. This one. Because this one is in terms of pi, but I don't want you to do in terms. I just see pi minus 0.7853 divided by 2. You must divide by 2. This is 2x. So every answer must divide by 2. Then you can get the final answer. Now E. Look at E now. Who not sure how to do E? Okay, Kunj, can you tell me the first step? What do you do? The rest are doing or checking or going beyond the page. Write down reference angle equals to. Can you tell me the answer? Kunj, hurry up. You refuse to press, you'll never learn. I said 4 SF, you give me 3. 5235. Why is it not 4? Because you cannot round up to 3 SF first. Kunj, tell me the second one. Sign in this case is positive or negative? Positive. Which quadrant is it? First and second. Now, Kunj, can you tell me what do I write next? 2x minus pi over 4 equals to, okay, comma. No, you tell me what to write first. Very good. Pi minus 0.5235, comma. Why? Because there's 2x. 2x means there are 4 answers. Yes, you have to. I don't care whether in front, behind got the minus 5 over 4 or not. Once you see 2x, you go and plus 2 cycle. Okay, so what's the next answer? This? Correct. 2 pi plus 0.5235. Very good. Plus 2 pi. Then 3 pi minus 0. That it's not y minus, it's because like that. This one plus 2 pi. So pi plus 2 pi is 3 pi. Then 3 pi minus this. Tiffany, understand? Now, Kunj, to get the answer, for every answer, you have to plus pi over 4 divide by 2. Every. Okay? Everyone okay? 明白吗？可以呢？是他。What? Which part what? Which part confused? Plus 2 pi. No, plus 2 pi yesterday I went through, I mentioned something like that. Everything, to keep it simple, if you see 2x, what happens is you will take the first two answer plus 360 to get the next two answer. If you see 3x, you take first two answer plus 360 to get second set, right? Take these two number plus 360 to get third set. So meaning if there is x, there are two answers. Two answers. If there's 2x, there are 4 answers. If there's 3x, there are 6 answers. Just like, understand? Kunj is okay with E? Okay, can I go to F? Is there a F? 8. A. This one.